This video we are going to show that the angles in a Z shape are equal, and I'm going to show you what exactly I mean by that. So let us say we have two lines like this which are parallel to each other, and then we have a transverse line. If we call this angle alpha, this angle beta, this angle gamma, and this angle delta, then it turns out that alpha is equals to delta and beta is equals to gamma. And now we are going to show how to prove this. Well, to prove this, we're going to do the following. First of all, we notice that this here is a straight line. Therefore, we have that alpha plus beta is 180 degrees, right? And we also have that delta plus gamma is 180 degrees. So we have delta plus gamma is 180 degrees. Now what we're going to do is we are going to drop a orthogonal line like this, such that this angle is 90 degrees and this angle is 90 degrees. Now, if you have a transverse line to two parallel lines which is orthogonal, then both these angles are going to be exactly 90 degrees. But what do we have now? We have here a quadrilateral. We have a quadrilateral shape. So we know that alpha. So we know that this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle is 360 degrees. So we have alpha plus beta plus plus delta plus gamma plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees is 360 degrees, because the angle sum in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Well, what do we have now? We have alpha plus gamma plus 180 degrees is 360 degrees. Therefore, we have alpha plus gamma is 180 degrees, because we subtracted 180 degrees from both sides. But now look what we can do here. We know that alpha plus beta is 180 degrees, and we have alpha plus gamma is 180 degrees. Right? So we can equate these two equations again. So we have alpha plus beta is alpha plus gamma, right? And now what we can do is we can cross off the alphas, and what remains is beta is equals to gamma. So we showed that this angle here is the same as this angle over here. Now we can do the same thing for the angle alpha plus beta, right? So we know that we know that alpha plus beta is alpha plus gamma is 180 degrees. Well. We know that alpha plus beta is 180 degrees, right? Similarly, we know that delta plus gamma is 180 degrees. But we already know that beta is equals to gamma. So we can write this as delta plus beta is 180 degrees. And now we can again use these two equations over here. We have alpha plus beta is delta plus beta is 180 degrees. And now we can cross off the betas over here, and what remains is alpha is equals to delta, right? So we have shown that in this kind of a shape, this angle and this angle are equal, and this angle and this angle are equal, right? So that's the theorem. We're going to use this to prove that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, and that's it basically. Yeah, so thanks for watching.